That handsome chap was a Reeves pheasant that I managed to film last year when I was out and about on a walk. Anyway, before we do get up to the plot, let's have a look at the blossom, trees, leafing up. Sap is beginning to rise, people. Spring is here. And I feel like doing a bit on the plot. Alright, let's get up there. What a bloody awesome morning it is up here at the plot. Blue skies, birds are singing. I even heard a woodpecker smashing his face against a tree a couple of minutes ago, up the woods over there. Anyway, I'm up here to do a bit. Not much, but yeah, my season kind of starts now. Up at the plots. We'll have a quick plot tour. I'll show you what I'm going to do, what I'm going to plant, and then we'll just get on with it. Alright, so I just want to, let me take you over to that corner there, and I want to get your opinion on something. Alright. That is the poo of something, and I don't think it's a rabbit. Are there any poo experts out there that can identify that? I'm thinking rat, maybe. And if it is a rat poo, my friend, your days are numbered up here at the plot. So, yeah. Let me know where that's come from. Whose arsehole has that dropped out of? Right. The rosehip and grapevine just... Oh, a rosehip has started. There we go. Look at the plot. Man, it's overgrown. That grass needs to be cut. And my friends, I bought myself a new strimmer and I'm going to unleash hell. This plot is going to get a short back and side, sir. Something for the weekend. Absolutely. Beds need a little tickle over, not much. I'll probably take that down at some point and, I don't know, put it here maybe. Flower bed, stuff is just starting to wake up slowly but surely. A few daffodils. That June berry thing never ever did anything. What a pile of crap that was. Rhubarb, my friends. Don't ever seem to be able to grow rhubarb on the plot. I know this isn't the Timperley early variety that I planted here before, which was absolutely crap. This is from my dad's garden, and I can vouch for it being a really good, strong variety of rhubarb, because when it gets going in his garden, the leaves are huge, the sticks of rhubarb are enormous, so hopefully this one will take, that one will take, and maybe even him there will have a go. Currants and gooseberry. I don't know whether to cut the gooseberry out or not this year. Last couple of years it's given me a couple of gooseberries, but then they've all just died, fallen off or been taken by something. So yeah, don't know what to do with that. Bottom bed, it's been dug, just needs to get planted up. Lupin, oh, I love it, but the lupin always makes it through winter. So yeah, thumbs up. And surprisingly, the Persian slipper lupin has made it. I didn't think that was going to be a goer this year. I thought it was going to. I thought it was dead, brown bread, but no, it's come back. There we go. Let's have a look at these. These are the giant. I think they're the giant allium bulbs that I planted back in, when was it? January, maybe. One of the first videos I did this year, and there we've got some bulbs coming up as well. Oh, a few daffs there. Hello, Mr. Shadow. And more allium bulbs coming up in this bed. Right. Look at the bloody roof on that shed. That needs to be done this year for definite. I've got all the wood. The wood is inside the shed, and I'm going to have to strip that back, put a new roof on it. But not today, but definitely this year. I'm sure I said that last year. I never got around to it, but I've definitely got the wood now. So that will happen at some point, and I may even do a video on it and bore you senseless. Talking about boring you senseless, let's get strimming. Look at that. What a beauty. My old strimmer died at the end of last year, and so I went out and bought this power base. Look at it. Gleaming. Sexy. Ready to whack some weeds, my friends. Cut some grass. All right, let's do it. Okay, so strimmer's run out of juice. Let me show you what I've managed to cut. It's down here. Along that pathway, along the edge there, down. About half of that. And this bottom section here, there we go. It's always a two-stage process, this, but that'll do me. That's a decent enough start on the grass. Let's get planting. Last year my local garden centre was selling off peonies. They were priced up at $8.99, and as you can see it was reduced down to £1. I took this home, forgot about it. It died. I thought it died complete until I checked on it the other day, and no, as you can see, it's got new growth, it's coming back. It looks like it's going to do something, so why not get it in the flower bed up here at the allotment, which was the original idea last year. So it's going to go there, slap bang in the middle of this flower bed. Give it a squeeze, try and get it out of this pot, loosen it up a bit. Oh, there we go. Can you see how root bound it was getting? I'll have to tease some of these out a little bit. There we go. All right. There we go. It's sitting a bit proud of the soil, but once those roots take hold and anchor it down, it should do quite well up here at the plot. Only time will tell. We'll see what it looks like in the summer. I've got a tray of broad beans to plant out. They're going to go in this second bed here. As you can see, I do need to give it a quick dig over before I get these guys out. Let's have a go at this then. Try and gently squeeze one of them out. I don't know if you can see that. I can't really see the screen. Looking all right? First one's in. Second one, structure's all right. Rinse and repeat. Oh, that one's crumbled away from me a little bit, but it should be all right. There we go. I planted out 14. There was one that had not really germinated in one of the cells, so I binned that. I've got another tray of these at home that are probably about the same size as these guys here. I just couldn't bring that up. I didn't have enough arms to bring everything up that I needed today. Mr. Worm, having a go. So yeah, by the time you see another video from the plot, hopefully I'll have planted out another 15 broad bean plants, and I might even sow another tray's worth of seed at home when I get back today. Right, let me have a go at planting out these French banana shallots. Pretty much the same as an onion set, except it's a shallot. Do you know what, as I've only got 10, let me just plant them in a little clump in the corner here. As you can see, I'm just pushing them in, leaving the shoulders exposed. That should be enough. There you go. Done. You'll have to excuse my squinty face, I'm afraid, today. We've had plenty of blue skies, sunshine, cracking weather for the end of March. I've had a go today, I've done a bit, sowed a few seeds, planted a few shallots, and yeah, got some of the broad beans out. So I'm happy with what I've done today. And I think I'm going to leave it there because I am knackered. I just want to get home, just looking at the little blue tits on the branch there. Yeah, I just want to get home, crack open a few beers, quench my thirst and veg out in front of a TV. Anyway, that's it, isn't it? Yes, I think that is it. Right, thanks for joining me. If you have, remember to hit the like button, share the video if you fancy sharing it, subscribe to the channel, that really would help. But most importantly of all, do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now.